Hi guys, I'm playing this game fast, so I don't have time, so I'm doing it fast. Yeah, this is Max, and with another banger video. I died faster, but I didn't explain it. Hi guys, this is Max, and I'm making a new video about press the button 7. I accidentally missed 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. So I'm not gonna make a part 2 about that. Sorry. Looks like it's tattoo windows. So guys, my reach is 1,000 subscribers. So please subscribe if you want to. I really don't care. So have a good night and watch me play. Now what is this? Press the button. Other side noobies. I feel bad by these noobs. At least I got a training corner. And another here. Yay! No one else. Anyway. Man, you really looks like you. There you go. Awesome. Now this one. Now this one. Yeah. Well, this game is broken. Now what's this cat doing? Okay, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm waiting. Thank you for your business. No, press it. Okay. No. Now I have the option. Leave. Now I do lose. Whoa. Rima. No. I'll... Yes. Why? Yeah. Whoa. How is this? Who made this? Okay. Left, right. Left, right. This is good. Nice. I know something like that. Don't go to the middle. Bro, they're invisible. Wait. Man. What? Oh, I was trampoline. Man, I want to go. 9. Go here. Go. You. Yeah, Chamberlain. Chamberlain. I lose. Yay, more beats! This is the best adventure I see. How much bird is it? Okay, stop. No more. No more. Stop coming. Yeah, everyone stop. I think. Oh, what's it? Bloody? Oh, it has some tsunami. What's more? Goodness. I lost one. I just touched water. I'm allergic to water. I'm allergic to water. I put them both together. I want to see it together. I didn't mean those balls. I mean these balls. No. Why am I small? Even this kitty is small. Wow. Kitty. Look at my kitty doggy. He's a big dog. Let me go inside. I want my dog. Boy, I don't like it. I think I'm a doggy. Doggy. No, doggy. That doggy. Yep. Man, for leave voice 500. Okay, where am I going? No, I'm not doing this. I do have too much vegetables. Nope. No, go. Bye. Pizza time. Pizza time. Pizza time. I'm gonna end this video because I can't talk too much. So bye bye. Next video I will play with my brother. He's just sleepy today. Bye.